Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about a major shift in how we create video. We are looking at Higgsfield Cinema Studio. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies right now, and they have a very clear mission. They want to be the most creator-friendly platform out there. If you have ever tried to make AI video before, you know it can feel random. You type a prompt, you hit enter, and you hope for the best. But Higgsfield Cinema Studio is different. It is a workflow designed for creators who want actual control. It allows anyone to create cinematic shots without needing years of filmmaking experience or expensive equipment. The biggest problem with most AI video tools is that you have to guess. You try 10 times to get one good shot. Higgsfield changes this with something called the One Unified Flow. This means you do not have to jump between different apps or websites. You go from text to image and then straight to image to video in one single place. It is designed to respect the rules of cinema, things like framing, lighting, and structure. So you aren't just making things move, you are making a scene. Let's look at how this actually works. Step 1 is creating your master frame. This is really important. Instead of writing a complicated technical prompt, you use the interface to make creative choices. You can choose cinema-grade cameras. For example, you can select an ARRI Alexa 35 or a Panavision Panaflex profile. These act as style anchors. They tell the AI exactly what kind of movie look you want, so the colors and the mood feel professional right from the start. You also pick your lens character. If you want a wide, epic landscape or a close, emotional shot, you just select the lens. This gives you a high-quality image that serves as the foundation for your video. Once you have that perfect image, you move to step 2. This is the image-to-video workflow. Because you are starting with that master frame you just made, the video will look stable and consistent. You don't have to worry about the face changing or the background glitching. Now, you add movement. In the past, you might have needed to use keyframes or complex timelines. Here you use movement presets. You can choose a push to zoom in, a pan to look across the scene, or even a handheld setting to make it feel real and gritty. You are simply telling the camera what to do, just like a director would on a real set. This brings us to why Higgsfield is different from other big names like Kling or VO. The difference is leverage. Higgsfield has taken the settings that actually work and wrapped them into a simple studio interface. You get results without the brute force method of trying over and over again. This effectively makes it the cheapest AI platform for high-quality results because you waste less time and fewer credits getting the shot you actually want. It is cinema quality at scale. Early tests are showing clearly that AI cinema is no longer just a theory. It is here.
Wszystko lighter. Wszystko.
do when those whose hearts have been taken over by hatred come for you?
I think maybe just talk to them.
So, let's talk.
If you walk into the darkness, I'll drag you back.
You're already too late.
You will lose everyone you love if you don't become stronger.
Our enemies have godlike power, so get on with it!
I never go back on my word. That's my ninja way.
Whose hearts have been taken over for you.
Darkness, I'll drag
You're already too.
you away.
You've saved Christmas 1,000. You're not even real!
Just got lighter.